Good afternoon, everyone. Now we will discuss how to write in numerals if the number name is given. A three-digit number is given, how to write in numerals. Everyone, please listen. No need to take any book.
Ma'am, this class is daily test.
Your voice is not clear to me, so some audios are
And
not clear to
this
me. So
class
please,
have daily test.
yes, this period we will be having a daily test.
How many
So
questions?
wait, I'll share. Okay, not now, at the
How
end of
many
the video.
questions?
Anyway, not more than 5. Okay,
How many
now please
ma'am?
listen now. For example, now the number is given in words like 300 and
Ma'am, right?
no need to write. No need to write. Hold your hands and listen. 42, 342. Please close your all the books, hold your hands and listen. 342. Now you have to write this number in numerals. Numerals means in numbers, in digits. How we will write? For that,
Ma'am, right?
first read the question 342. For to write in numerals also,
342.
you have to write the places. 342. So which all places we have to write?
Three,
Places. Hundreds, tens,
hundred,
ones.
ten, one.
It is a three-digit number. So
Hundred,
there are three
ten,
places.
ones.
100,
Hundred,
tens, ones.
tens, and one.
300. So how many hundreds are there?
Three,
300. So
300
down to 100
and
place, you can write the digit 3. 42. 42. That means 4 tens,
four,
2 ones.
four times two.
No need to write, my dear children. Please fold your hands and listen. So the answer is, the digits are 342. The answer is 342.
342. 342.
So you have to write the digits 342 to write the number in numerals. Next example. Next example. 700 36. 736. So here also we have to write the places H, T, O. How many hundreds?
300.
700. So down to 100 place you can write the digit 7. Then 36. 36. How to write 36? In tens place, which digit? No need to write. Please listen. Please listen. No need to write. 36. In 36, tens place 3, ones place 6. So which all are the digits? 736. If you write 736, you can read it as 736. Now I am going to mute you all. Now no need to write anything. Please fold your hands and listen. Nine hundred and 4. 904. You have to write this in numerals. How to write. So some are there to get chance. Let me. Ritika, please unmute. Ritika. How to write this number in numeral? 904. So first we can write HTO. Then how many hundreds are there?
9.
9 hundreds are there. So you can write under 100 place 9. Then 904 and 4. So tens place, what is the digit?
0.
0. Yes. Tens place 0. And in ones place?
4.
4. Very good. So you can write 904 and it will read as 904. Correct answer, my dear. Very good.
Thank you.
Welcome, dear. One more question. 300 and 70. 370. Dia, please unmute. Dia, please unmute. Unmute, my dear. So first we have to write the places HTO. Dia, 317. So how many hundreds are there?
3.
Sorry?
3.
3. Yes. So down to H you can write 3. Very good. Now 317. 17. So tens place what we should write? Which digit we have to write? To write 17. 17. Which digit we have to write under tens place? How to write 17? How to write 17? 17. Unmute, my dear. Unmute. Unmute.
What?
How to write 17?
1.
1. After that?
7.
7. So 1 tens, 7 ones. Very good, my dear. So the answer is 317. This one we can read as 370. Very good. Now everybody please open your notebook. Open your notebook.
Right.
I'm
right.
Not this one. If I give the homework questions now, can you write that? Don't write answer now. Answer you can write later after the class. But copy down the question.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am. Right.
Morning we have written write number name. Till E we have written. So F and G are homework. So leave space for that. And give the heading.
I'm right.
Yes, start writing. Write in numerals. Write in numerals. So number 4, to write number name, there are 2 homework questions, F and G. Leave space for that. After that, leave one line and write the heading, write in numerals. Is that clear to everyone?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No.
Morning we have written the heading, write the number name, and we have written 4 questions till E. And down to that you can write F and G, the questions, question number. That are homework questions I will share in the group. Okay. After that, leave one line and write in numerals. Now we are going to write that. Now, is it clear? Is that clear to you now?
Now it's clear.
Sorry?
Now is clear.
Now it's clear. Okay. So, first question. 700 700 and 56. 700 and
Ma'am, right?
start writing. Yes, you can write.
Ma'am,
Or should write.
notebook.
In the notebook. Morning we have written, write the number name till question E. Down to that, please put the question numbers F and G that are homework questions I will share in the group. Then leave one line and write in numerals. 756. So first question, let us do together. After that, I'll give you questions to do. To write the numerals, first you have to write the places HTO.
Ma'am, which book?
In the notebook. And how many hundred?
Right.
In this question, 756.
Ma'am, right.
How many hundred? How many hundred?
7.
700. So, under H, you can write 7. After that, 56. For 56, how many tens? Or under T, which digit we have to write? For 56.
5, 6.
5 tens, 6 ones. So 56. So the answer is 756. This one you can read it as 756. So you can leave little more space and okay.
Ma'am, no, right. Ayan is writing.
Yes. I'll give you time. Then next question.
Ma'am, come later.
You entered late? Start writing, my dear.
Ma'am, not come to leave a line or not leave a line.
Sorry?
We want to leave a line or not leave a line.
In the notebook, morning we have written number name.
We leave a line.
Till E we have written A, B, C, D, E. F and G are homework questions. So please put those letters and leave space. Then give a next heading, write in numerals.
W-E-N-T-Y. Right.
Yes, you can write the heading, write in numerals.
That I write.
After that, you can continue writing.
Eighth question I already completed. Eighth question we want leave a line.
No. You can write next line. You can write. No need to leave.
Okay.
No need to leave a line. Next.
Ma'am.
TWENTY 20. 420. 900.
Ma'am, leave line.
No need to leave line. You can write in the next line. No problem.
Ma'am, write HTO and write down numbers.
Towards that. Near to that, you can write the number in numerals. Okay, HTO, you
I'm
can write.
T
Sorry,
O
that you can write in the. You can do
and
in margin
write
lines, and you
down
can
on
do it.
and write down numbers.
Yes.
Write notebook.
Yes, in the notebook.
Ma'am, Republic completed.
Okay. Those who have completed.
Not completed.
Others, please. Those who haven't completed, please do it. One more question is there. 796. 700. Seven hundred and 96. Please do this question also. So, if you have joined late, I know they cannot complete. What about others? Have you completed?
Finish. No.
Okay. Do it. Please write neatly.
Ma'am, Ritika complete.
Okay, those who have completed.
Complete. Excuse me, ma'am. No. That's Cannot complete.
Those who haven't completed, please do it.
Ma'am, in speed, the question 9, 5, we want to 10.
Sorry?
905. We only two numbers. 5, 0, 5.
We will discuss the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Start time. I will show you. Okay. Ayan, please unmute. Ayan. Question B. 420. 420. So when we write, so first let us write the places HTO. So how many hundreds are there, Ayan?
4.
4. Yes. So here it is written 400. So we can write 4 down to that. And 20. 20. So how we want to write 20?
2020.
Sorry?
2020.
Under tens place, what do you have to write? Tens place. What do you have to write? Under tens place? 2. Then under ones place?
0.
0. So 420. To write 420, you can write 4 to 0. Very good, my dear.
20 kan?
Now, next question. Jewel, please unmute. Jewel joined late, no? Jewel, please unmute. Can you hear me, Jewel?
Ma'am?
Next question. 905. Somebody asked me doubt. 905. So, as usual, we will write HTO. So, how many hundreds are there? In 900? 9. It is clearly given 9. So, under H,
9.
you can write 9. Then, only 5. 905. Only 5. So, tens place, what we have to write?
Only 5.
905 means there are 5 tens. How you will write 5?
50.
When you say the number 5, tens place, anything is there? Tens place, anything is there? Any tens is mentioned here in the question. If it is 25, you can say 2 tens. If 35, you can say 3 tens. If 45, you can say 4 5. Here only 5. So tens place, do you want to write anything? Do you want to mention any digit or which digit we will write the? any place is not mentioned, you can write 0 over there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
905 means tens place nothing is there. If it is 25, you can write 25. If 35, you can write 35. 45, you can write 45. But here, nothing is written like that. Only 5. So just write 0 in the tens place. And in the ones place, what do you have to write? Ones place. 905. So in the ones place, what we have to write?
5.
5. Yes. So tens place, nothing is there. So you can write, no, tens place is not mentioned. So you can write 0 over there. And 5. There are 5 ones. So ones place we can write 5. 905. This one you can read it as. This one you can read 905. This question, everybody understood? Have you all understood this one?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nobody has doubt?
No.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Angel not committed D. Angel committed A and
Those who haven't completed, please do it. Do it.
Ma'am.
Now, here Ayyapadas is there now. Here, Ayyapadas. No. Ananda Padmanabhan is there?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Then Agnes, give me answer for the next question.
No, ma'am.
796. HGO. So how many hundreds are there?
2. 7.
Let Agnes answer. Others keep your audio muted.
7.
700. Question D. 796. So how many hundreds are there?
7.
Agnes?
700.
700. So down to the place H, what do you have to write?
800.
Under H, which digit we have to write? 796. So which digit we have to write?
9. Right. 9.
Agnes?
9.
Agnes, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
How many hundreds are there in the question?
9.
Is it 900, my dear?
No,
796. So under H, which digit we have to write?
T.
700. So how many hundreds?
7.
7. So under H, you have to write 7. Okay.
700.
Is it clear to you now?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, 96. To write 96, which all digits we have to write?
9. 9, 10,
9 and 6. 9 and 6. So, 9 tens, 6 ones. Okay. 700, 9, 6. 7, 9, 6. Yes. Sorry? Yes, complete it. Complete it. Please complete it fast. After that, I have to take a daily test. So, to write the numbers in numerals, first you have to write the places and check how many hundreds are there. Then, how many tens are there, ones are there. Here, 700 and first question, 756. So, how many hundreds? 7 hundreds. Then, 56. How we will write 56? 5, 6. Okay. That means 5 tens, 6 ones. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Like that. Second question, 420. So HTO. How many hundreds are there? 400. Then how to write 20? 20. So 20. So 420. That are the digits. Next question, 905. Again, how many hundreds are there? 9. So under H, 9.
900.
And 5. How to write 5? 5 ones. Only 5 ones. Tens place is not mentioned. So you can write 0 under T. In tens place you can write 0 and ones place 5. So 905 are the digits. Then 796. Here, how many hundreds? 700. So under H you can write 7. 96. How you will write 96? 9, 6. That means 9 tens, 6 ones. 7, 9, 6. That are the digits. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyway, we have to write a daily test. So everybody close your book. If you haven't completed also, please close your book.
Yes, ma'am.
2 homeworks will be there from this part also. Please do it for the next class. We will discuss the answers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I am going to send the link. Please keep your books closed. Please mute your audios, everyone. And check the chat.
Ma'am, I did not get it.
I'll send once more.
Once more sent.
Ah, yes. Now check. If anybody is there to get, you can unmute and ask. You have to write number, name.
Ma'am,
2 questions are there.
I not get the link.
You didn't get the link?
The link.
Once more I'll send. Please wait. Now?
Ma'am, Angel not open the link.
Maybe you have some network issue, that's why. Please try once again. Read the options carefully and click the correct answer. Okay.
Ma'am, Karthik got 2 out of 2.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, Ryan got 2 out of 2.
Good, my dear.
Ma'am, please send the link. 2 out of 2.
Do you want to send the link once again? Yes. Wait. Please see the chat once again. And send the link. So, dear children, those who haven't completed, once more. Okay. Wait.
This is my.
Yes. Once again, I send. So, please sit and do those who haven't completed. Okay. Time is up. So, can I wind up the class? Thank you.